Stop playing. Get your coins together. Don't pay Hulu or Netflix this month and get this fucking wig. Okay, sis? Ooh, like, okay.
These niggas wishing he say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler.
What is up, guys? It's your Go Obsession, and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to be doing another wig review. This wig review was not fucking sponsored this time, but next video I might be sponsored because, bitch, I need my coins. Okay, period. Without further ado, I'm not gonna hold y'all up and all that extra shit. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I really have to say. And without further ado, we're just going to get into the video. So getting right into this video, the gorgeous unit that I will be reviewing today is the red carpet premiere sparkling girl, and this is what it looks like. This is actually the one that I have right here. I paid entirely too fucking much for this wig, but this wig online does go for $45 from what I saw. I will leave a link below to this unit, like multiple links if I can find them, but I did only see this wig on one website. This is the wig cap construction. I'm gonna just tell y'all because it's very self-explanatory. If you ever wore a synthetic wig before, you know what the fuck this wig is about to be like based on what I'm about to say. Anyway, so there's this much fucking lace with hair on it in this area. You know, Motron, I mean, fuck, I almost said Motron test. Motown test. Bitch, a bitch can't talk. Am I slow or what? Has lace, like y'all can fucking see. Hello, hairline. Also has a little part right here. You know, you already know how red carpet be coming with the parts. You know what main concept is here. Main concept is not here to fucking play. Point blank, period. Y'all already know what drew me to this wig. We not even gonna play. Like, we just gonna tell the fucking God honest truth because y'all know what drew me to this damn wig by just looking at it. Oh yes, this is Sparkling Girl 3. This is, oh shit, bitch. Oh wow, cool. Okay, cool. These are the other colors that it come in. Come on, look at that shit. Look at that. This wig is about 18 to 20 inches. Density isn't too thick. I feel like this is a very nice density for a synthetic wig. Now, let's get the tea because, girl, I'm running through my fingers through the hair, and this is not like most main concept. And no, I have not took the fucking lace off because I'm chatting, okay? This is not like most main concept units. You know how most of the time it's like a yaki, like a yaki texture or whatever, more natural, da da da. This shit ain't like that. This is more like silky. You know when like you get some straight fucking hair and you dye it like some straight 613 hair, y'all know what I'm talking about, how it's like silky straight. It's like that, but this isn't like plastic straight, if you know what I mean. Like, it still has some type of yucky texture to it, to the point where I can run my fingers through it without like ripping the whole fucking wig off or like getting too much tangling, but it's still, you know. But look though, so I'm still giving you all the tea. I'm gonna turn so y'all can see the colors in this wig. I'm gonna come a little closer too. So it has yellow, orange, fuchsia, purple, light blue, and I think it's, let me see, what other colors are in here? I think that's all the colors. And that ain't all, boo, because at the top it has this gorgeous icy purple. Like, it's not even like, y'all know the purple wig that I reviewed on my channel. If not, I'll insert a picture here. I reviewed that wig on my channel, but it's not like that. That purple is more so like down here, but this is like a storm. This is like a gray wig that sat in some purple shampoo for 10 minutes too long. This shit is so fucking sexy. It looked like Arrogant Tay dyed my shit. Like, that's how good this shit is dyed, honey. You guys see like these little sparkly pieces in here. Now, I'm gonna be honest, when I was in the fucking store, I was like, no, I'm ripping that shit out when I get home. But now I'm looking at it and I feel like it really makes the hair stand out. Y'all know I'm not gonna say on no bullshit. I'm eventually gonna straighten this and we're gonna see. So the texture of this, I mean, like the pattern of this hair is like a drop wave. Still like that summery beach, let's have fun, let's go fuck on the beach type of vibe. Go ahead and customize this wig. I'm gonna come back and show you guys and then we're gonna wrap up the video. After a little customization and some baby hairs, this is what I have come up with. And girl, period, because listen, it's a real hot girl summer, and listen, bitch, who like, y'all already know main concept always comes with the bomb wig. Like I said, this shit is not sponsored. Like, they have sponsored me before, but like this one ain't sponsored. The wig just bomb as fuck. I definitely need to flatten this part up here a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that because once again, you guessed it, I'm lazy as fuck. Yeah, y'all know I'm here for the long bundles. I'm here for the long ass weave. Like, y'all know I do all type of fucking dye tutorials on my channel. I review all type of colored wigs, but boo, keep it real with yourself. You ain't gonna get this fucking good of a hair job with that shit that I be saying, okay? And you not finna get this shit with a fucking human hair wig that's this affordable. So stop playing yourself and buy this one, girl. Okay, like you know you want to try some fucking color. Like stop playing games with yourself and get the goddamn wig, okay? Period. I'm getting a little bit of tangling. Like I told y'all, this wig isn't as yucky textured as like some of the previous wigs I have tried, but like as far as it tangling up and it looks like it's tangling, not at all. I haven't gotten any fucking shedding from this. The only little hairs I got was the ones that I cut on like the when I was cutting the lace for this wig. So yeah, that's no problem. This is bomb as fuck. I'm gonna come back and do a straightening tutorial or something because I know I'm gonna be straightening this wig very soon, but I might have to get another one of these. I am gonna try this wig in a different color probably, so stay tuned for that. The last thing I want to say is main concept, you did this shit. Like you did your thing with this. Y'all creative directive team is the shit. Like every time I turn around, y'all just coming out with bomb wig, bomb wig, bomb wig, bomb wig, and I'm just shook as fuck. Like I'm just shook. Okay, period. Stop playing. Get your coins together. Don't pay Hulu or Netflix this month and get this fucking wig. Okay, sis? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any questions about this wig, make sure you go ahead and leave them down in the description box below or DM me on Instagram at GoTobsessions. You can also follow me on Instagram at GoTobsessions. All my social media handles are down below. And until next time, girl, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.